welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why your hair may be dry and how to fix it. So I did see a few of you ladies in the comment section saying that your hair is really dry or your ends are very dry and you have no idea how to fix the dryness. So I hope you find this video helpful. So the number one reason why your hair may be dry is going to be due to moisture loss. And moisture loss happens when your hair is not moisturized or your hair isn't retaining the moisture. So what I like to do to keep my hair moisturized and prevent moisture loss is to deep condition. Now I do wash my hair once per month, so I make sure to deep condition my hair every time I wash it. I don't skip that step. It's so important. Otherwise your hair is just going to be dry and it's not going to retain any moisture. So that's really been a game changer and it has really helped me over the years to retain moisture. So what I like to do is use a deep conditioning mask. One of my favorites is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Deep Intensive Hydration Mask. That's my go-to. That is what keeps my hair looking good. It's that mask. Like, no lie, it's that mask. So what I like to do is I like to completely saturate my hair and coat my hair and make sure my hair is thoroughly combed through with the conditioner in it, and I will leave the conditioner in my hair for at least 15 to 20 minutes when using heat in conjunction with the conditioner. So I have a deep conditioning cap that I love, and I purchased a deep conditioning cap from Amazon a few months ago, and that's been a game changer for me. It really has. It really takes the deep conditioning treatments to another level when you do use heat to deep condition your hair, because it really penetrates your hair. It gets the heat allows the conditioner to penetrate deeper into your hair shaft. So that's my whole thing, and I am low porosity, so that really helps me so much. So if you're low porosity, try that. And if you don't have a deep conditioning cap, that's okay. You can still get great benefits of the deep conditioning mask by actually, using a processing cap or a plastic bag. You leave it on for a good 30 to 40 minutes because it's underneath the processing cap and it's just penetrating on your hair for such a long time. So that's another good tip as well. And also, if you find your ends are getting a little bit dry, which sometimes my ends do get a little bit dry, just not usually, but sometimes I will go in and add a lightweight leave-in conditioner. The one that I like to use is the Melanin Leave-In Conditioner. I find that is very lightweight. It doesn't weigh my hair down, and if you use the smallest amount, it's super hydrating and it will definitely make your ends less dry. So the second reason why you may have dry hair is going to be due to damaged hair. So you have to ask yourself this question: is my hair overprocessed? Do you relax your hair a lot? Do you use dye? Do you use bleach? All of those things are very damaging, and also using heat is damaging as well, especially when you do it too often. And I'm talking like every day, every week. Like, it's okay to do it every 2 weeks, every month, that's fine. But if you're doing it on a daily basis, that's going to completely dry your hair out and fry it. The same with using blow dryers. If you're blow drying your hair on a weekly, daily basis as well, that's going to completely dry your hair out. So you really have to look at things like that. And also, those type of styling practices do lead to split ends, which are going to make your ends super dry. And the only thing that you can do when your hair is damaged and you have those split ends from all of this bad styling practices that you've been doing is to get a trim. Now, when my ends start to get dry, I know that's an indication for me to get a trim, because they always get dry, they get little frays and they just start to split. So that's a good indication for me to get to the salon and get a trim before they get any worse. So that's going to keep your ends healthy, and that's going to keep them from not drying out, because the ends are the oldest part of your hair. They've seen everything, all of the heat, all of the stress. So The longer you go and keep those ends, the more damaged your hair is going to be, and you are going to see a lot of dryness in your ends as well. So the third reason for why your hair may be dry is going to be due to product buildup. Now, the only way to get rid of product buildup is to clarify your hair. But you're saying, hey, you know, clarifying shampoos can be drying too. So what do I do? Well, this is what you're going to do. So for me, I do use a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo. So it's not going to have those harsh stripping detergents in it where it's going to completely make your hair feel like straw. Now, it's going to make it feel clean, but it's not going to make it feel like straw because it's not completely stripping all of the natural, you know, oils out of your hair. So it's a way better option. So what I like to do is to go ahead and clarify my hair. Now, I don't always do this, but if you find that you're clarifying and your hair is just not retaining that moisture, what you can do is after you clarify your hair, you can go in with a moisturizing shampoo. That way you're adding in more moisture to your hair, and your hair is going to better receive it and better retain the moisture. So that's one of my biggest tips, and that's also helped me a lot. But when you have a lot of buildup on your hair, it's not, any product that you put on your hair isn't going to absorb into your hair at all. The only way to get rid of that buildup is to clarify your hair. So those were the 3 reasons why your hair may be dry and how to fix that dryness. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.